Chapter 9: Diffusion of Innovation. This video content is based on Introduction to Health Behavior Theory by Joanna Hayden. In this chapter, we explore the diffusion of innovation theory, which helps explain how new health behaviors, ideas, and technologies spread through communities. What is diffusion of innovation? Diffusion of innovation theory, often called DOI, was developed by Everett. It explains how new behaviors, ideas, or technologies are adopted over time by members of a social system. The theory focuses on the process of innovation adoption and how different types of people respond to change. In public health, it helps us understand how we can accelerate the spread of healthy practices. The theory essence sentence. The theory essence sentence is: behavior change is spread through a population over time and across social systems. In other words, health behaviors spread like innovations, and the way they're introduced and communicated matters. What counts as an innovation? An innovation is any idea, behavior, or product that is perceived as new. It could be a new technology, a new treatment, a policy, or even a health message. Whether or not it's objectively new doesn't matter. What matters is that the person sees it as new. Examples include COVID-19 vaccines, telehealth services, healthy food options in corner stores, mobile health apps, community bike share programs. Innovation attributes that influence adoption. Whether an innovation is adopted depends on 5 key characteristics. First is relative advantage. Is it better than what came before? Second is compatibility. Does it fit with the adopter's values and needs? Third is complexity. Is it easy to understand and use? Fourth is trialability. Can people try it out before committing? Fifth is observability. Are the results visible to others? Innovations that score well on these 5 attributes tend to spread faster. Communication channels. Communication channels describe how information about the innovation spreads. This includes mass media, social media, interpersonal conversations, or word of mouth. Face-to-face communication, especially with a trusted peer, is often the most effective. Public health professionals must choose the right channels to match the target audience. Time and adoption stages. The adoption of an innovation is a process that takes time. It typically follows 5 stages. First is knowledge, learning about the innovation. Second is persuasion, forming a positive or negative opinion. Third is decision, choosing to adopt or reject. Fourth is implementation, putting the idea into practice. Fifth is confirmation, deciding to continue using it or not. Not everyone moves at the same pace through these stages. The social system. The social system includes the community, organization, or network in which the diffusion occurs. It influences adoption through norms, opinion leaders, gatekeepers, change agents. A strong social system with support from leaders can accelerate innovation adoption. Adopter categories. People fall into 5 adopter categories based on how quickly they adopt innovations. First are innovators, adventurous and open to risk. Second are early adopters, respected opinion leaders who influence others. Third is the early majority, deliberate adopters who adopt before the average person. Fourth is the late majority, skeptical and cautious. Fifth are laggards, the last to adopt if ever. They tend to value tradition and resist change. Tailoring communication for each group helps boost adoption rates. Applications in public health. DOI is used to promote innovations like vaccination campaigns, safe sex practices, smoking cessation tools, nutrition labeling, telemedicine programs, hand washing and sanitation stations. Successful programs understand where people are in the adoption curve and target messages accordingly. Strengths and limitations. Let's review the strengths first. DOI explains how innovation spread and helps identify target audiences. It emphasizes the role of social networks and peer influence, useful for spreading both products and behaviors. Now the limitations. It focuses mostly on individuals, not systemic barriers. It assumes that adoption is always beneficial or desired. It may overlook economic, cultural, or access-based inequalities. Let's wrap up. The diffusion of innovation theory shows how new ideas and practices spread in communities. Adoption depends on the innovation's characteristics, communication channels, time, and the social system. Understanding adopter categories from innovators to laggards helps public health professionals design better interventions. The goal is to accelerate the uptake of healthy behaviors in a way that is meaningful and equitable. This video content is based on Introduction to Health Behavior Theory by Joanna Hayden. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next chapter on social ecological model.